Ever wondered what makes a woman fall head over heels in love? Like what makes her want to text you back right away, introduce you to her friends, and just completely be head over heels? Well, my friends, you've come to the right place. Over the years, I've learned a thing or two about relationships, both from my own experiences and from listening to countless stories from you guys. And let me tell you, there's no magic formula, but there are some key ingredients that can make all the difference. We're talking about building real emotional connection, showing her who you are, and treating her with the respect and care she deserves. Trust me, these steps are based on real-life examples and emotional connection. None of that superficial stuff. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to win her heart in a way that's genuine and lasting. So, buckle up, grab your notepad, and get ready to take some notes. All right, fellas. Chapter 1. Be genuinely interested in her life. And no, I don't mean just scrolling through her Instagram feed. I'm talking about wanting to know what makes her tick. What are her passions? What are her dreams? What's her favorite way to spend a Saturday afternoon? You know, when you're genuinely interested in someone, it shows. Ask her about her day and really listen when she's talking. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Actually pay attention to what she's saying. Remember those little details she mentions, like that big presentation she's nervous about or that new hobby she's trying. And then, for bonus points, bring them up later. It shows her that you're present, you're engaged, and you actually care about what's going on in her world. It's like speaking her love language, you know? Think about it. How good does it feel when someone remembers something you told them, even if it seemed small or insignificant? It makes you feel seen, heard, and valued, right? And that's exactly what you want to do. Make her feel like she's the only person in the room when you're together. It's not about grand gestures. It's about those small, consistent actions that show her you're invested. Okay, Chapter 2. Build emotional safety and trust. This one is, guys. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, especially when it comes to love. She needs to know that she can count on you, that you're reliable, and that you'll be there for her, especially when things get tough. And how do you build that trust? Consistency and honesty, my friends. Be someone she can rely on. If you say you're going to do something, do it. If you make a promise, keep it. Don't be flaky, don't play games, and don't send mixed signals. Be upfront and genuine with your intentions. Let her know how you feel, and don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Now, vulnerability can be scary, I get it. But trust me, when you open up and share your true self with her, it creates a deeper connection. It shows her that you're authentic, and that you trust her enough to let her see your walls come down. And when she feels safe and secure with you, that's when the real magic happens. That's when she can truly let go, be herself, and fall deeply, madly in love. All right, moving on to Chapter 3. Make her laugh and enjoy your company. Listen, life is too short to be with someone who takes themselves too seriously, right? Women love a guy who can make them laugh. It's true. Laughter releases endorphins, and endorphins make people happy. Plus, when you can share a laugh with someone, it creates a bond, a connection that's hard to break. It means you share a similar sense of humor, which is super important in a relationship. Now, I'm not saying you need to be a stand-up comedian or anything. Just be playful, be silly, and don't be afraid to be yourself around her. Tease her gently, keyword, tell funny stories, and just enjoy each other's company. Remember, relationships should be fun. When you can laugh together, it takes the pressure off, creates a sense of lightness, and allows you both to relax and be yourselves. And trust me, when she feels comfortable being her goofy, authentic self around you, that's when she'll really start to fall. Okay, Chapter 4. Show ambition and purpose. Now, this doesn't mean you need to be a millionaire entrepreneur or anything, although hey, no judgment here. It's really about having goals, having drive, and working towards something you're passionate about. Women are attracted to men who have a sense of purpose, who are going somewhere in life. It shows ambition, direction, and, let's be real, a little bit of that go-getter attitude that's super attractive. So what are you passionate about? What are your goals? Don't be afraid to talk about them. Share your dreams with her, your aspirations, even your fears. Let her see that fire in your eyes when you talk about something you love. That passion is contagious, and it shows her that you're not content with just coasting through life. You're striving for something more. And that, my friends, is incredibly attractive. All right, Chapter 5. Be supportive of her dreams. This one's super important, guys. Just like you have your own goals and aspirations, so does she. And trust me, nothing will win her heart faster than knowing you're in her corner, cheering her on every step of the way. Ask her about her dreams, her goals, and her passions. And when she tells you, really listen. Don't judge, don't belittle, and don't try to change her mind. Be her biggest cheerleader, her confidant, and her rock. Celebrate her victories, big or small, and offer a shoulder to cry on when she faces setbacks. Because let's be real, life isn't always rainbows and butterflies. There will be challenges, obstacles, and maybe even a few tears along the way. But when she knows she can count on you to be her constant, her unwavering support system, it creates an unbreakable bond. It shows her that you're not intimidated by her ambition or her success. You're inspired by it. And that, my friends, is the foundation of a truly supportive and loving relationship. All right, on to Chapter 6. Communicate openly and respectfully. Okay, this should go without saying, but communication is key in any relationship, but especially in romantic ones. And I'm not just talking about texting back promptly, although that's always a plus. I'm talking about real, honest, heart-to-heart communication. Share your thoughts and feelings with her. Listen to hers without judgment, and don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Now, vulnerability can be scary, I get it. But trust me, when you open up and share your true self with her, it creates a deeper connection. It shows her that you're authentic and that you trust her enough to let her see your walls come down. Be respectful of her opinions, even if you don't agree with them. Remember, healthy communication is about understanding each other's perspectives, not about trying to win the argument. And when you can communicate openly and honestly with each other, it builds a level of trust and intimacy that's truly special. And finally, Chapter 7. Be patient and let love grow naturally. In a world of instant gratification and swiping left or right, it's easy to get caught up in the rush of things. But when it comes to real love, patience is key. Don't try to force it, don't try to rush it, and don't put any pressure on her or yourself. Just let things unfold organically. Remember, relationships are like plants. They need time, care, and attention to grow. So, water that seed of love with patience, understanding, and a whole lot of love. Don't get discouraged if she doesn't fall head over heels immediately. Everyone moves at their own pace, and that's okay. The most beautiful love stories are often the ones that simmer slowly, building anticipation and deepening the connection over time. So, take your time, get to know each other, and let the magic happen organically. Trust me, when she falls for you, it'll be worth the wait. So, there you have it, my friends. The ultimate guide to unlocking her heart. Remember, it's about being genuine, building trust, making her laugh, supporting her dreams, communicating openly, and being patient. Now go out there and win her over. Remember, love isn't about tricks or games. It's about connection, respect, and being your best self. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to hear this. Until next time.